I'm Gustavo Barizon from Innova9. So today's video is about CafeOne. CafeOne is a powerful framework in JD AdWords that allows you to connect, to link information between forms in a JD AdWords application. So this means I'm able to open applications inside a form in JD AdWords. Applications, external content like websites, Oracle BI, OBIEE, and it's super powerful and is available in JD AdWords for about 10 years now, 8 to 10 years. So let's get started by signing to JD AdWords. So my mission here today, I'm on a role of a customer service manager. So I want to give a call to my customers that are within back orders. I just want to give them a feedback that we are kind of working hard to fulfill his orders. Okay. So first of all, let me open my UX1 landing pages of team back orders because I'm kind of the regional manager, and my back order, my page here says that I have 32 orders in back orders, in back order status. And also I can see my customer services representative. I have Jackson John with the most, carrying the most of my back orders. I see my sales order lines by customer. So I have my back order, sales order lines by customer. So I see that custom brokers, they are 48.1%, almost half of my orders you can visually see here. So let's choose him to touch base. So I just kickstarted my day, 8 a.m. in the morning. So I'm a manager, let me take a look. I see that Jackson John, he probably got a large order for my custom broker customer. And let me touch base with them as being a regional manager. I want to give them a call and say, hey, we are working hard to make this, to fulfill your order. We are manufacturing your products, okay, that you ordered. And of course, I can see here my back orders by item. So here's I have my back rack. So the item with the most is the mountain bike red, okay? So I'm notified, I will get alerted, I analyze, now I will take actions. I will using my Springboard. So let me review the order, and I will open my query for back orders watch list. So we have it here, these 32 orders, 32 records that I have, not orders, but records, line items that they are in back order. So let me take a look here, 42, 43 custom brokers, right? So that's some mountain bike red. I have 50, I ordered 50. They ordered 50, right? And his address number is 4243. So in the old-fashioned way, without CafeOne, so I would go to my navigation, my Enterprise One menus, address book, daily processing, address book revisions. So let me remove my previous query. So 4243, that's my current address number, custom brokers, and now row, and then phones. Now I will pick up my phone, 555-435-4483, and I will speak with the customer, with my customer. Okay, so that's the old way. So now if I need to call somebody else again, oh, I forgot the address number. Close here again, and then go back to my order, and then look. Oh, okay, 17,000. Oh, 17000. Acme department. So I'm gonna go back there, and then manage, and then work with address. So here we go again, 17123. I will hit find, select record. You see how many clicks I'm doing here right now just to get this information. So with CafeOne, things are not that way. So as we are kind of working in a proactive scenario, I want now to link my phone's application, my phone's form, with my customer number, in my customer address number, in my order, my managing order, my sales order application. So in order for us to do, just click in our menu, edit form layout, click in the create new content. So I will add an Enterprise One form, or I can add an URL. In my case, I will add an Enterprise One form. So this is gonna be okay for me here. Let me open my phone numbers application. There's no version in this case. There's no personal form. I can just leave as is. But one important thing here to notice is what type of link. It can be static or can be dynamic. Let's choose dynamic because I want to make it as I move to the records in the grid, I want to make this dynamic. I want to change my phones based upon my customer number. So map to add this component. So my address number, my sold to number, my customer number, it is now related to my phone number here, my application phone number. Save. And I already can see it at my 4242, my capital system. Here's the phone. Everything looks good. I can save my UDO. Customer phones. Here's my first CafeOne. See how easy it is to build such feature, to use such feature. And now, with this phone, now I can, with this form, right, with this CafeOne, I'm able to select record 4242. Here we go, address number, and let me select another record here. So now, still 4242, now 4243. So here's my custom brokers. So remember, custom brokers, they were the ones that I have to call. So okay, let me pick up my phone, call custom broker. Okay. Now let me call capital system 4242. Here we go, 404-555-6389. So here is how we can benefit. That's the easiest way for us to benefit with CafeOne. That will allows us to not click, will save us clicks and alternating in between applications to get such information. And of course, here I can have several other forms depending on your real estate in your form. This is it. So we are able to add more content here, more mixed content with applications. We can add different applications like emails, like bank account, or any type of information. And as we can see here, this is a good case because we have this address number, QuickSide Warehouse, right? For the QuickSide Warehouse, that also they are also in back order, but I don't have a phone. But I know somebody else who has a phone, and I got his phone on my paper here. So can I update something here in this form when it's CafeOne? Yes. So 55123 8876. Then if I click save, it will save. Now we have a live form that works perfectly. So I switched now from 4243. Let me go back to 4244. Here's the number 555-123-8876. So this is the number that I just added here in this CafeOne form. Of course, if you have no security to add phones, your security, your JD address security will not going to be override. Okay, so we'll keep the form, but you're not going to see the add button. You're going to see only the find button. And then, of course, if you have no authority to remove a record, to delete a record, you're also not going to see the delete button. Okay, no, again, no security is overridden in this process. Okay, so I hope you like this tip about CafeOne. I want you to start using it. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. I'll be more than happy to talk to you. And if you, of course, we do a lot of training on CafeOne, but not only solely in CafeOne. So we are also doing enablement. So we do this enablement of all these visualizations, so we can change to your companies, we can build a strategy about how to use these components. Of course, we have our Orchestrator Masterclass, which is one of the best training in Orchestrator available today, with a lot of content, good content, and most importantly, we tailor our training, our masterclass based on your needs. So I can build that training for you, and we can deliver, and you will have immediate ROI, because we will build our Orchestrator processes, projects, using your real life situations. Okay, so I'm here to solve your problems, to help solve your problems, and by teaching how to use Orchestrator, CafeOne's, E1 pages, enterprise landing, UX1 landing pages, and many more innovations in JD Address. So that's why we are Innova9. I'm glad to talk to you today, and see you next week. Thank you.